What's up guys? Today's video is on the best steam mops. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Shark Steam Pocket Hard Floor Mop. We've tested and loved previous Shark Pocket Mop models and are excited about this latest iteration. Along with the classic, easy, and efficient steam operation, this new model includes an attachable spray mop as well. While that requires a bit of extra storage, you get two tools in one purchase, and also ultimately have the option to use the sprayer tool on smaller stains instead of turning on the steam function. When testing this steam mop, we tried it out on tomato paste and syrup, among other messes, two substances we wouldn't wish on any kitchen floor. The steam broke down each mess so the pad could easily and smoothly absorb the remaining residue. And, on the subject of the mop pads, we found them easy to remove thanks to a separate button. Number 2. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop Cleaner can be used on many surfaces beyond your floors, and comes with multiple attachments and mop pad replacements to make cleaning a total breeze. This pick works on flooring and fabric, so you can use the detachable handheld steamer on all your upholstery, curtains, and even clothes, and the regular mop head on your kitchen floors. The replacement mop pads are both easy to switch and easy to pop into the washing machine and then back onto the mop. Plus, even after 6 months of wear and washes, the mop pads have not dipped in quality in our experience. When we tested this pick in our lab, we found that the large mop head easily turned on flat surfaces. Although the size of it could make it difficult to maneuver the mop into tight spaces, this could also be a benefit since larger spaces can be cleaned more quickly. Number 3. McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. If you want a steam cleaner to tackle grout and to provide you with the flexibility to clean other areas around your home as needed, look no further. This canister-style cleaner is well equipped to handle rooms large and small. The spacious water tank, 64 ounces, will get you far in your cleaning, and the more than 20 accessories, including brushes of different sizes, a nozzle, a squeegee, a scraper, and more, give you a tool for every task. During testing, we focused our efforts on cleaning tomato paste, mud, and syrup. Like many of the steam mops we tested, this steam mop didn't do as well with the thicker substances, since the design of the pads is meant for liquid absorption, and not clearing solids or thick residue. Number 4. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Few steam mops clean as well as the Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner, and even fewer are as cute and cleverly designed as this one. The canister, which holds 50 ounces of water, is a simple white cube that's on rollers, so you can push or pull it easily as you complete your chores. It's one of two canister-style steam mops we've chosen to recommend, and while it holds less water than the other, the McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner, we like it for large area cleaning for a couple different reasons. For one, it's easy to maneuver thanks to the aforementioned rollers, and it's easy to fill when more water is needed. It has a built-in funnel. While it comes with 3 different mop pads, you can also use your own towels or cloths. This convenience is unique among steam cleaners and mops, and for those large-scale cleaning projects, you won't be forced to stop when your supply of mop pads becomes too saturated or messy. Number 5. Bissell PowerFresh Pet Steam Mop. Steam isn't just helpful for floors. It also can be used to clean numerous other areas of your home, which is why you may want to consider a feature-packed pick like the Bissell 15441 Steam Mop. We wanted to keep cleaning with it even after testing wrapped because it was so satisfying to use. Like our best value pick, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, this versatile tool includes a lift-off pod, essentially transforming it into a handheld steamer. It comes with 13 additional attachments that allow you to use it on everything from curtains to grout. The accessories in your box include a window squeegee, a fabric steamer, a grout tool, a flat scraper, an extension hose, scent discs, and more. These attachments make it easy to reach a lot of small areas other mops might miss, or even skip entirely, and make it so you don't need to splurge on as many additional cleaning tools. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.